Hey everyone, I am the expert here, and today we're gonna learn how can we check the list is empty or not empty. So as usually we import the list and then we declare a function for boolean this list is empty or not. It's written the number dot empty for the values. So here we can check a list for double and data. If list empty, it's print this is empty and if not so this is not empty. First we check it no data in our list, so it shows the list is empty. Let's run comment this. Here we have 3.14 in our list, so you can see it shows the list is not empty. So here you can how you check the list is empty or not by using the function is list is empty and use a return value for checking the. Thanks for watching.